Hey guys, I wanted to take a moment to give you some updates really quick. I am actually on my way to meet Art and the rest of the family. It is Friday, October 31st, so maybe by the end of this video I'll share some pictures of our Halloween costumes. They're in the back. Oh, you can't see them anymore. They fell in the floor. Okay. Anyway, I wanted to give you some updates really quick. Lots of exciting changes taking place right now. Things happening, and everything's just, after so long of just stagnation, everything's moving very quickly now. So I did tell you guys the other day that I had a job interview out here. Oh, and I spent the whole day out at the homestead today. Which was nice, just to kind of get a feel for how it's going to feel to actually be living here full time. I'm really excited about it. And to be able to just, when everybody said that they were heading that way to meet up, the family, to jump in my car and know they're just 20 minutes down the road is pretty nice, because normally when I'm coming from Owasso, it's a 90-minute drive. So that was nice too. But anyway, the job interview went really well, but it could be a little bit before I hear back about that, because they needed to go over their financials and see how much they can afford. So there's that update. And then the big update, well, I did tell you guys, I showed you guys that we've got our products in a store now, OK Roots in Owasso, Oklahoma. And you can find them on Facebook or TikTok if you want to check them out. But if you are out of state, you can still order on our website, secondmilejourney.com. But the other big news, this is probably the biggest of all big news, is that we finally got the water turned on at the homestead property. We finally were able to pay that $2,000 membership fee and get the water turned on. So we are one step closer to being able to live there. So now our next big ticket item out there is going to be the mini split system, which we need 3 heads. And so that can range anywhere from $2,000 to $3,000 for that. So anyway, we're making progress. So if I get this job, that means all in 1 month, I will have gotten a new vehicle, a new job, and a new home. Talk about biting off a lot all at once, right? So anyway, we do have some changes that will be happening at the homestead, so I will wait until I've got Art with me, and we'll do another live stream or something this weekend to show you guys what our plans are out there, so that you can see what we're changing and why. Like I've mentioned before, we have just run into a lot of issues. There was a plumbing issue, which I guess should have been expected, because that house had only ever been hooked up to the well, and it sat empty for who knows how long. And so well water out here anyway is pretty nasty. And we were just planning to use the well for our garden and animals, but we didn't want well water in the house anyway. But anyway, Art said when he did try to run some water through the pipes, he said it was horrible. The smell, he couldn't get it out of there for weeks, he said. So the pipes, we've got a lot of fixing to do. We had also run into a lot of mold in the drywall and stuff. So just lots of issues, but we're tackling them one at a time, trying to get them knocked out. So we have an idea for a temporary living situation that hopefully we'll get that figured out this weekend, and then we can show you guys. In the meantime, I accidentally lost my directions that I had pulled up. Okay, I'm going to let you guys go, and I will show you our Halloween costumes. So I hope you all have a great weekend, and we will talk to you soon. Remember to go the second mile today for someone in your life and with your resources.